So, so here I have set up for the Bacteriophage Lab. You can see the dilutions of TS broth tubes. Each tube has 9 milliliters of broth, and I have labeled them according to the dilution. And then we need the E. coli B strain, which will be infected by the bacteriophage to observe the lytic cycle. And then we also have 5 soft agar tubes, which I have boiled and cooled to 50 degrees. And then we have all the plates, TSA plates labeled with the dilution factor, and ready to start the experiment. So the first thing you should do is, you should do the dilution series. So I will demonstrate how to do that. You need a 1 milliliter pipette, and you want to take the viral suspension, the T4 suspension, and take 1 milliliter out of the virus. And then add it to the very first dilution. 1 milliliter in 9 milliliters of TS broth. Now you want to mix the two really well together to form an even suspension. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw in and release 3 times to mix the suspension. This shaking the suspension is really important. So now I'm going to take 1 milliliter from this one, the first one I made, and transfer it to the 1 to 100 dilution. And then again you mix it up 3 times. So like that you keep making the dilution series. Take 1 milliliter from here, add it to the third one, shake it, and complete the dilution series. So once you have the dilution series made, the next thing we want to check is whether our bacteria is at the right temperature. Okay, so it has been cooled to 50 degrees. Now I want to introduce 2 drops of the E. coli B strain into each of the tubes, because we are going to add the virus into the soft agar tube along with the E. coli, shake it and pour it onto the plate. So let me, I'm using a plaster pipette here, sterile pipette, and we want to take some E. coli out. Out. Okay. So we will put 2 drops into each tube to introduce the bacteria. Transfer them back to the things so they don't solidify. So the bacteria has been added. So now what I have to do is, I have to transfer 1 milliliter from each tube, 1 milliliter from each tube into each of the soft agar tubes. So let's start with 1 to 10. And pick any tube, all have E. coli now. Release your 1 milliliter of 110. And now you mix it up. And here's 1 to 10 plate. We want to overlay this soft agar on top of the TSA medium. So that's called an overlay because we are putting more agar on top of an existing agar plate. So now you will slowly move it around and spread it out evenly. Okay? And then we let it set. The overlay should set on top of the existing agar. So I can show you another one here, how to do it. Here's the second one. This is 1 to 100. Take another one. Now we take the 1 to 100 plate. Pour it and then slowly rotate it, spread it evenly, and that's it. You have poured an agar. So like that you want to complete all 3 plates with the 3 tubes by transferring 1 milliliter from each dilution. And this they will be incubated and plaques will develop on the agar, and we will look at them and count them next time.